Tonight, we're digging through a new audit of the Office of Public Health and Safety, and some of the results are shocking.
Our Matthew Foltz spent today looking at what stood out and how some of the leaders of the organization now say they're addressing the issues.
A financial audit for the Office of Public Health and Safety here in Indianapolis reveals the agency lacked oversight in many areas.
I knew that there might be some challenges related to, or some findings related to those contractual and financial concerns.
Andrew Merkley is the director of OPHS. He's been in the role for a little over a year. He tells me this is the first audit for the agency since the city created it in 2016. The audit explains that 6 of the 8 findings were high risk. Some include insufficient invoice documentation, where 84% of the contracts the audit reviewed had missing or incomplete documentation. Another high-risk finding shows that OPHS awarded contracts to staff and connections.
There's ongoing investigations into those particular concerns, and we are addressing those through additional ethics training and procurement training for our team.
Merkley says they're also working to address other areas.
Rather than changing our programming, we need to change internal processes because, again, as I said, the impact is evident and we can demonstrate that through data.
We had a pretty good experience and grateful for the opportunity to work with them.
Adrian Burney is a barber who worked with OPHS more than 2 years ago during their Summer in the City program. He's just hoping now they get on the right track.
You know, whatever it is, I just hope that it gets cleared up and, like I said, be able to resume the work that they're doing in the community to drive down violence and make an impact in the city of Indianapolis and our communities.
In the meantime, Merkley says he and his team want to make sure another bad audit doesn't happen again.
And we're implementing additional safeguards to ensure that moving forward, the next decade of OPHS is more successful than the past decade.
Reporting in Indy, I'm Matthew Foltz, 13 News.
City Council President Maggie Lewis, who sent a statement in part, said, quote, the City County Council will continue to closely monitor the implementation of these corrective actions to ensure that public resources are managed responsibly and that programs are delivering results for our residents. And she had more to say, so we put that full statement for you online for your review at WTHR.com.